Hi guys, in this lecture I'm going to show you how to install MySQL on Mac operating system. But first of all, I would request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button and give your feedback in the form of comments. Okay, so first of all I'm going to open the Google Chrome browser. In the search bar I will type download MySQL and I'm going to click this link mysql.com/downloads. And then I will go here and I will click MySQL community downloads. Then I will click MySQL community server. So this is the version that I'm going to download. The reason I'm downloading this one because I'm using the M1 chip. So if you're using the M1 or M2 chip, then you're going to download this package. Otherwise, for Intel, you will download this one. Okay. Let me show you the chip which I'm using. Go to the launchpad, system information, and look, chip Apple M1. It is confirmed. Now I'm going to quickly download this package and no thanks, just start my download and this will start the download process. So it will take some time to complete. I already have it in my system, so I'm going to open this package which I have already downloaded and I will open this package. Okay, the installer file, allow, and I'm going to click continue. I agree the terms and condition. Okay, install for all users of this computer, yes, continue. I don't want to change anything. Okay, customize. Let me just install only this MySQL server. Okay, now install. And here I'm going to specify the password, the MacBook password here. Okay, now install software. So it is installing this. Now I have to set the root user password here. This password I'm going to use in later stages. Okay, so I will set 8-digit password, at least 8 digits. Okay, so let me just set admin at 1234. Okay, click finish and let me just specify the password here. Click OK. So it is installing right now. So you have to wait for a while until this is done and dusted. Okay, it has been installed. So next, okay, keep. I don't want to move this to trash. Okay, next I'm going to download MySQL Workbench. So for that I'm going to open the Google Chrome browser, my favorite browser, download MySQL Workbench, and I will click this link to download. Okay, and I will click this one. This is the version that I will download. Okay, no thanks, just start my download. So this will download MySQL Workbench, and let me just open this. And now this is the time when I have to use this root user password. But first let me just put this in the application folder. Okay, let me just drag and drop it over here. Okay, it is copying. I have to wait for a while, and let me first go to the application section where I will open this application. Go here. So I'm going to go to the applications. Here I'm going to search MySQL Workbench. So right click and open. Okay, open. So okay, so now I'm going to create a new MySQL connection from here, and I'm going to name this as my connection. Okay, click OK, and now I'm going to click this. Now I have to specify the password, so I will specify the root user password, which is admin at 1234. Okay, and click OK. Continue anyway. Look, I am connected. So this is the default database that I will get when you're going to log in into this. Okay, now I'm going to create a new database. So in order to create a database, I will type a command, create database and project. So project is going to be the name of my database. Okay, now in order to execute, I will click this, and look, the database has been created. Just refresh it and you will see a new database with name project. Okay, in this way you can create table, you can insert values in the table, and you can use the select statement to query data from the table. Okay, so I hope you have gone through the process of installing MySQL on Mac operating system. At the end, I would request you to please subscribe, like and share, and give your feedback in the form of comments. Thank you so much and have a great learning.